Bionic wrench. A wrench is a very useful tool for repairing anything. It's especially good when it fits a multitude of bolts and nuts. A bionic wrench is a versatile tool that is just like a regular wrench, but it can work with nuts and bolts of different sizes. Its special feature is its ability to adapt to the shape and size of nuts and bolts, thanks to special toothed clamps. As the bionic wrench is applied to a nut or bolt, its toothed clamp head automatically adapts. The design feature provides a secure grip on the fasteners, allowing greater force to be applied without risk of damage or slipping. The tool can handle nuts from 0.5 inches to 0.75 inches, so it can replace several wrenches at once. The sturdy body of the tool is made of high-quality steel, which ensures long life and reliability in use. Thanks to this, users can be sure that the bionic wrench will be a reliable helper in the most demanding repair tasks. Tire repair kit. Every cyclist should know that you should take all the necessary tools for repairing your means of transportation with you on a trip. To fix a tire, for example, you should take a special kit from LALSHOW. The kit is a hollow cylinder, inside of which there is a seal and an awl cover. When puncturing the tire, you need to turn the cover over, pulling out the awl. Next, with the help of the awl, it is necessary to clean the puncture, making it more even. After that, a sealant is inserted into the awl, after which it is slipped into the puncture. Thus, the sealant returns the tire to the state of tightness. At the same time, the awl is easily pulled out, leaving the sealant inside. It is worth saying that in addition to the functionality and high usefulness of the repair tool, it is also incredibly compact. Its height is 3.40 inches, and its weight is 1.60 ounces, so you can take it to absolutely any trip, just throwing it in your pocket and forgetting about it until you need to use it. However, the small weight and size does not prevent the kit from containing as many as 5 plugs or pieces of sealant to plug a puncture. Also, the light weight does not mean that the repair kit is made of low-quality materials. It is made of hard anodized aluminum, which allows you to use the kit for a very long time without fear for its integrity. Car repair tools. This useful tool simplifies and speeds up the removal of heavy forks, drive shafts, transmissions, and rear differentials without damaging other elements during repair. Thanks to which, it is easier to perform the above tasks, all because of the special design and operating principle. The device consists of 1 bar in the center and 2 on the sides, through which it is attached with 4 bolts to the object to be removed. In the central part of the central bar, there is a hole where a screw is inserted, which is screwed through with an unimpact tool, removing the desired part. Surprisingly, thanks to the device, the pulling force can reach 11 tons, and such a high efficiency does not negatively affect the strength and durability of the tool. In addition, the device is made of high-quality steel, which allows it to serve for a very long time as the main assistant in the workshop. In this case, the company manufacturer of large trucks puts such a device in every truck, which clearly indicates its usefulness and applicability in real conditions when repairs are needed. Hammers from Triac. What can help with cleaning surface corrosion during repairs? A hammer that literally hammers away the contaminants. Triac tools are essentially ordinary hammers that strike at high speed and on their own, meaning no physical force is needed to use them. At the same time, there is a tool with a single head, and with several. The second option should be chosen if you want to increase the speed of cleaning the surface. However, the other features of the hammers are similar. For example, both single-headed tools and multi-headed tools include interchangeable heads. You can equip the tool with carbide-tipped heads or economical one-piece hardened steel pistons. Intrinsically safe heads made of beryllium copper for use in explosive environments can also be fitted. The hammers are very comfortable to use as they feature an ergonomic handle and a simple and robust design that is lightweight. The performance of the hammers is also worth noting. For instance, the single-head version operates at 3,000 blows per minute, while the multi-head version operates at 9,000 blows per minute. Thanks to this power, pipes, ship decks, oil platforms, storage tanks, or bridge structures can be easily cleaned of corrosion and other particularly difficult contaminants that interfere with repairs and spoil the appearance. Flash and pull-up. Many people puzzle over how to quickly remove dents on a car. This can be done, for example, with a device called Flash from Spanessi, which is a portable pull-up column that uses a compressed air system to create a vacuum seal on the surface. And with the ratchet system, a traction force of 550 pounds is created, which makes it easy to get rid of dents on various cars. In addition, it is important to note the mobility of the device, as this is its most important feature. The solution from Spanessi can even be called revolutionary, since usually the car needs to be moved to a stand, frame rack, or other special places where the repair is carried out. The Flash moves to the machines by itself. The unit is additionally height adjustable, so that more precise repairs can be carried out. The dimensions of the unit also contribute to its mobility. Its height is only 50 inches and its weight is 130 pounds, which makes it an ideal solution for repairs, as technicians can move the portable column anywhere without straining. It is moved via a built-in rear wheel system, and when finished, the Flash can be stored upright or folded. The company also has another solution called Pull-Up, which has a similar purpose, using it to fix dents on cars. The solution involves the use of suction cups, glue, and sliding hammers. There is no need to disassemble the car or disconnect the battery, nor is there any need to remove the paint from the surface. Also, thanks to the system, the original shape and appearance is restored without the need to replace parts. Pump jack. Repairing walls requires the use of scaffolding or other devices that help to carry out repair work at height. But traditional scaffolding isn't as convenient, which is why you should use pump jack, a system that doesn't radically change wooden scaffolding, but makes it safer and more convenient. The system consists of several elements. The first element is the pump jack, which is made of steel and has the ability to be attached to the wooden poles with a secure double locking system. The pump jack works like an elevator, which elevators up when you press the pedal and lowers down when you twist the handle. It's certainly not an automatic elevator, but it's still a great solution for repair work. The second element is a brace that secures the wooden supports to walls or other objects. The element has high strength, thanks to which it securely fastens the supports to the wall. In this case, the brackets can be used many times, as well as other elements of the system. But it should be remembered that this element, as well as the whole system, works only with wooden supports. Metal ones are no longer suitable. Another element is a wall-mounted portable jack, which is made of high-strength ductile iron and can be used to lift walls, beams, decks, or for other purposes. And the final part of the system is the element by which the wooden supports are fixed in the ground. It provides the ability to install wooden supports in mud, sand, grass, and other soft surfaces. In general, the system is a universal assistant in repair and construction, which allows you to spend half as much time on work compared to traditional scaffolding. If it is necessary to make the scaffolding workplace safer, it is possible to use straps, thanks to which additional fixation is provided. They can also be used, for example, to lift objects needed for repair or construction, if it is not possible to do it manually. Pipe straightener. Bent pipes and rods can be encountered during the repair of many different objects. Straightening them is a long, labor-intensive process, which is almost impossible to do perfectly without a special straightener. The tool consists of several cylindrical elements on both parts of the device. There is also a special wheel, thanks to which you can carry out straightening by placing the tool on the table. Another important detail is the mechanism for adjusting the angle at which the straightening takes place. In order to straighten, it is necessary to place the pipe or rod in the tool and clamp it with two parts with cylindrical elements. And then it is necessary to drive the straightener over the pipe until it is completely straightened. In this case, the most useful tool works with copper aluminum pipes, as well as with stainless steel pipes, so it is as universal as possible. It is worth saying that the straightener is also a compact and lightweight device, so it can be carried anywhere without any difficulties. Pico pipe. When repairing an old pipe, there is a need to clean it from hard, settled dirt, corrosion, and other contaminants. This is where a special ring is ideal and is a great cleaning solution. Surprisingly, the Pico pipe does not work automatically, but is manually operated by a person. You have to take the tool and move it in repetitive motions until the surface is cleaned. The tool cleans itself by blasting. At the same time, the device works without the traditionally high noise level for such tools and without dust. So at a distance of 1 meter from Pico pipe, the noise level is 89 decibels, which of course may seem loud, but at least it will not deafen you. It's worth noting that the tool is also very efficient, as it handles 1.5 square meters of pipe area in an hour. Generally speaking, Pico pipe working heads come in a variety of sizes. They are available in sizes from 2 to 8 inches. So the tool is really versatile. Lock installation tools. Door repair involves a myriad of different tasks, but one of the most time-consuming is changing the lock. In this case, you can use a special tool that can be used to change the lock faster and minimize the chance of damage to the door. The key feature of door lock fixtures is the use of special clamps that fix it easily and safely without damaging the surface. There is, for example, a clamp that locks onto the door regardless of its thickness. In order to carry out the installation of the lock, it is necessary to drill a certain number of holes exactly matching the size of the lock. For this purpose, the tool has holes whose diameter can be adjusted, depending on the size of the lock to be installed. In addition, toolkits are often equipped with other useful tools for lock installation. For example, in a kit from DeWalt, you can find a leveling window and special reinforced bushings that provide straight and accurate drilling for installing locks on doors made of various materials, including metal and wood. Additionally, the kit can include steel circular hole saws, as well as support plates that prevent warping and make the job of installing the lock much easier. But there are some doors that are much more difficult to repair. First, such a door is difficult to remove because it has a huge weight. And now imagine how much effort and time you will have to spend to change the lock on such a door. Not everyone can do it. Triac 8. Soldering is one of the many dangerous repair jobs. However, if you replace a standard welding machine with a special hairdryer, the safety is multiplied. Triac 80 ensures safety primarily because, unlike gas flame welding, the temperature of the tool can be set independently from 40 to 700 degrees Celsius, thereby reducing the risk of accidental ignition. In addition, the safety of the tool is further enhanced by the fact that it features active cooling and electronic protection of the heating element. The unit also weighs less than 2 pounds and has compact dimensions, allowing it to be moved to any location where welding needs to be done. Such small dimensions are especially useful for the main task performed with the tool, welding plastic or polymer products on roofs. At the same time, various nozzles and other attachments can be used for other tasks. For example, there is a special brazing kit that turns the Triac AT into a tool that can be used for welding copper, zinc, or chrome steel. Also, if you need to weld more precisely, you can attach the welding dryer to a special holder on wheels. This adds not only precision, but also convenience for the operator. Maverick. The most common way to repair the wheels of a vehicle is to remove the tires. And now, it can be done very easily by simply operating the joysticks. Maverick is a unique machine specially designed for professional tire changers. With the Maverick, workers can carry out the tire changing process according to the customer's needs, thanks to a unique control system that combines low-speed functionality with faster operation. The system involves 4 joystick controls. The machine is also equipped with a leverless head to provide maximum protection for the wheels and automatic articulation to maintain their perfect alignment. Maverick also allows technicians to multitask, and thanks to a unique system that automatically inflates tires to a certain level. Maverick is powered by hydraulics. Thus, the equipment has hydraulic cylinders that are immune to compressed air quality, which provide higher force and precision than pneumatic cylinders. There is also a hydraulic rotation motor that provides high torque and low maintenance cost. In addition, Hunter's invention is also equipped with a special HunterNet 2 system that gives a complete overview of the machine and tire condition. Wheel repair and tire replacement is a process that also needs to be done with large machines like tractors. And for this too, there are special machines that make the work of people much easier. Crack repair tool. This tool is a great help in repairs, as it can be used to fix cracks that have occurred on walls or floors more quickly and conveniently. The design of the tool is made of lightweight aluminum and is made in such a way that users have the ability to work both right and left-handed. The device has a number of other benefits as well, including easy operation and ease of use. This is thanks to the adjustable side handle with thumb rest. You can also adjust the amount of material applied to the tape depending on the task at hand. The tool is also made of high-quality materials, which guarantees its durability and reliability in repair work.